Who is it?
Baylee.
Hi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a guest star, Baylee.
I'm here again.
So, we're doing another craft video. Today we're making a popsicle stick harmonica. So what you'll need is popsicle sticks,
Elastics.
a piece of paper or cardstock,
Scissors
and markers.
to decorate.
So, let's get started. So, our first step is to color the popsicle sticks. So, the first thing you can decorate it any way that you want, just so you know. We're going to need our markers and our popsicle sticks. I'm going to choose the light blue, the light green, and the light purple. I like pastels, as you can see. So, all you do is just start coloring.
Now that you finished your popsicles, we just colored the middle one on the sides. You're going to take your middle popsicle, so these ones you don't need for now, and
I'm done with you, Feather. I'm done.
Okay, anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to take your popsicle stick and your elastic. You're going to put your elastic band like this and put it over to the other side. It's a little bit tricky and it doesn't need to be perfect because it's going to get messed up later. Try and get it into the middle though. Just like that.
So now we need the paper and the scissors. For younger kids doing this, get your parents to help you with the scissors. So we want a piece about to here, and then about this long. And now fold and then cut where the fold line is. So fold it in half and then cut along here. So now that you've got two pieces that are about this size, you fold it in half. Doesn't matter which way you fold it, this way or this way. Okay, so you just fold it in half, hamburger or hot dog style. Then you need to fold it again, and fold it again. There we go. And I think that's good. Then do the same with the other piece.
Okay, in the intro we forgot to mention that we need tape. So you're gonna need tape, your little square things, your 3 popsicle sticks, and 2 elastic bands. Oh, also scissors. What you're gonna do first is take a piece of tape and roll it up like this so that it's sticky on all sides, or just use double-sided tape. You put the tape on one of your square things made out of cardstock. Then you pick one of your popsicle sticks and put it on there. And then you do that for the other side. Okay, so what you're going to need next is scissors, your 3 popsicle sticks, your 2 square things you just made, and elastic bands. 2 elastic bands. What you're going to do first, oh, right, we need tape as well, which we forgot to mention in the intro. you're going to take a piece of tape, roll it up so that it's sticky on all sides, or take double-sided tape and do this part. I say a lot. Okay. Then you're going to take one of your square things and put it on there. Take one of your popsicle sticks and put it on there with both of the square things. Okay, you gotta make sure that you put these on a popsicle stick that is not with the elastic band, because what you're gonna do after is put the elastic band on top of that one, which is the top, and then you flip it over and you put your third one on the bottom. Now what we just finished is we finished putting our 2 elastic bands onto the sides, and then you have your harmonica.
Alright, so we both have done harmonicas, and just remember that you can decorate it however you want. You don't have to decorate it like us, of course.
I did teal and black.
And I did, as you know, the 3 colors. So, Baylee, you can try yours first.
We did ours a little bit differently. She did it a little bit differently. I did it the way that we showed you, and then she did it
slightly different with the little one in the middle. I just thought it sounded better, so.
Okay, so here's what mine sounds like.
Of course, it doesn't sound like a harmonica exactly, but it sounds pretty good. And then this is what mine looks like. The way you make mine, you just put the part with the elastic in the middle instead of on top, like we showed you.
In the middle.
And then that's it.
Yeah.
Well, that's all we have today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and go check out Baylee's channel. It's called
Baylee and Jessie Gaming Sisters. It's with my sister.
So, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next video.
Bye.